Good day to you and welcome back to the shop. We have Willy-Nilly up on the lift and we're going to do a few things to it. First thing she's going to do is replace the broken license plate holder, and then
Why is it broken?
I guess you backed into a pole.
I don't think I did that.
And then we have a new rear bumper. Let's get cracking, yo! License plate screws are off. Now she's going to remove
Inside
the screws in here to pull it off the body. And I am not helping with the license plate project. That is her project to do all by herself. Unless something goes terribly south. And then it's still her project to do all by herself. This is a really good time to clean. You don't have to get any too fancy. Just get it wiped down with some good water. Maybe put a little bit of polish or wax on it just to clean it up and protect it. And this is a good time too to see the difference in the paint, because everything tends to fade over time, especially bright colors. So you can kind of tell where it's been hidden and protected to where it's been out in the sun. It's not terrible, but it's noticeable. So Willy-Nilly's going to be wanting some fresh paint here one of these days. We'll paint it pink. Watch out! She's got my knife.
An American muscle.
A knife that needs sharpened.
Yeah.
Rip it.
Oh! Another box!
Box in a box, and there's probably a box inside the box.
Guess what?
This can go with my cardboard collection.
Guess what's in here?
Fruit Loops? Oh, no, you don't. Give me that. I'm taking
He
it away.
loves bubbles.
I'm taking it away.
Here, like so. Pops in there. And you plug it in. Like so. And it clicks in. And this goes in here, like so. And then you put it over there, like so. And then you get your screw, like so. And you line it up like so. And there's the holes. So you just put this little buddy in there. Tight, tight, tight. And get the other little buddy. Put it in there. No wonder that one was loose. It's hard to get to. Ah! What was that?
With it up there, we can get under here, in my shop chair, and see how it's held on. There's 2 bolts there. Things are making noises.
The box is coming undone. It's so excited.
The box is coming undone. Alright, hitch. Okay, cool. And there's a bolt there. The flashlight's dying on me. There's a bracket there. Cool, we got this. So there are 2 bolts on each side, and then there's a bracket with a bolt to the bumper and to the frame. All right. With an assistant. You have to wiggle it up and out of the way. Stock bumper is gone. Woohoo! We will most likely wind up taking this off because I'm told the new bumper has a receiver on it. Likewise, this will come off because it does have D-rings. So let's go ahead and finish getting this all cleaned up. Then we'll break into the new one. Off. Coming off. Bumper time.
Holy smokes.
It's not one of those plastic ones.
That's as far as I got it.
We all have our jobs here. Keep it coming. A little more. You're almost there. Almost. No, oh, 2 more inches. 2 more inches. Ah! Oh, too far. Take it back.
Look at that. It's practically open. Look at all that padding. Oh boy. There is a bumper in there, right? It's not just foam. The unwrapping continues. Oh, I see black. I thought I ordered orange.
An orange bumper with orange halos, orange LEDs,
Yeah.
and orange light bars.
Orange. Almost there.
So much padding to put up your
Oh
off-road
my,
bumper.
I know.
Heaven forbid we scratch it. And once you have everything off and have your area clean, see how much shinier it is? Ooh. And get the bumper here. Let's put it together. Okay. We've got the there's 2 bolts on either side, and there's a support brace that slides inside the frame rail to add strength to it. And then there's the 4 bolts across the center section that were in the factory hitch. So it's doing pretty well. And you want to get them all on and get them snugged before you tighten them. That way it's even. There you go. There you have it. DV8 off-road bumper on the JK. We got the new license plate bracket with light bumper. This is solid. Maybe not the best bumper out there. It's definitely not the most expensive. But if you're looking for a good, reasonably priced option, check these out. And that's going to do it for us for the evening. Kind of a quick video, quick project, but it's something we've been wanting to do with the Jeep for a while. So we'll get out and use it a bit, tug on it, push around on it a little bit and see how it does. Feel pretty good about it. Till next time, get out, have some fun, drink the dew, eat the steaks. Steak. Be nice to one another. We're all in it together. We'll catch you on down the road. Bye.